through. Like, I know what to do, got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we can fly, with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning, not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I'm like a caterpillar turned into a butterfly. I'm on the grass, it's always greener on the other side. And we gon' make it out the struggle, though we traumatized. I used to take this life. Hi guys, how you doing? What's up? I feel like it has been a while. I haven't blogged in a while, and I've just been basically dealing life. I've just been lifing, you know. So had so much to deal with, but I'm back, and as you can see, I'm trying not to show too much cleavage. As you can see, I am wearing my bathing suit. It's Saturday, and I will be I'm heading down to the beach to go chill out right now. I'm just in the car, waiting for something, and then I'll be heading down. So it's just one of those beach days. It's sunny, it's beautiful. I have to take advantage of it. We'll be going to Ocho Rios, so I am gonna just check in with you in a bit.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you wanna have one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for. Make you eat your words. If I'm more than what you bargain for. Fun to flirt, but promise to deliver. Much is required.
Alright guys, we are here at Bamboo Blue. Beautiful as usual. Who comes to the beach without a towel though? We did. Alright, so yeah, parking, and we are about to go inside. Alright guys, so we are just chilling. We went for a little swim, and that was really good. It was a bit overcast right now. It was sunny before, and just relaxing. I make a Coke. You know, I had a sandwich before with fries. Beautiful day in Ocho Rios. Beautiful day. Guys, what's up? I am at Island Village in Ocho Rios now. I just ordered some fish. We're gonna chill a little. We're just looking at the fish in the pond. It's really cute here. Hey guys! Alright, so it's Sunday and we are heading out to it's Mother's Day. Very special day. And we are going to get something for my aunt, and we're gonna try and get something in Fontana. And we left a little late. We're planning to leave a little earlier, but it was just so hot today. It's not even summer yet, and the heat is killing us. Anyway, we managed to survive. So we're going down to Fontana to get some from my aunt, and then we are going to go to the supermarket just for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the Chinese restaurant just to pick up some dinner. We're not cooking today. We're not doing any form of cooking today. So that's it. And then I'm gonna go drop off the gift by my aunt and spend some time with her and her husband. Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. So I'll catch up with you in a bit.
You said you want a bad one. Well, baby, I'm as bad as they come. Said you want a hot one. Yeah, you with the hottest under the sun. But be careful what you wish for.
Why are you laughing?
Babe over here saying that Father's Day is not as exciting as Mother's Day.
It's not really fair. I don't know why everything has to be about women.
Carrying a child for 9 months,
Okay, and how about the man? The man
having
don't
a
matter?
child is literally putting your body at risk. It's a very risky, you can die, and there are many other complications that can arise. So
the man
it's
is
a superhero.
So the man is
It's
in
a
a part
superhero
of
job.
the man is in a part of the support system.
All the man does in the beginning is make sure
That is old school, you know, sweetie.
the sperm connects to the egg, and then
Oh.
after that
That is old
the
school.
woman has to carry the child for 9 months, ensure that it develops. Believe it or not, 9 months is a long
This is the
time
21st century, sweetie.
of experiencing morning sickness. They don't know what that feels like. Nausea, your body changing,
So we're
you're
now
eating
there, right?
24/7, and then when it's time to push the baby out, you don't know if you're gonna go through a you don't know if you're gonna go through a C-section. You don't know what's gonna happen to you. You don't know if your baby going. You don't know. It's a tough job. So it's a superhero job. I think that's why it's celebrated way more than Father's Day. But anyway, guys, I'm at Fontana and I'm going in. I'm not gonna take you with me, but I'm going in and I'll be back. And I'm gonna show you also what I got.
It's up to you to decide. Get on my level, tell the devil go somewhere and hide. The whole world outside, sun in my eye, girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth's never lie. Like wings you can fly with you by my side. This morning, oh yeah, and I woke up this morning. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. Not every day is easy, but I'ma keep it breezy. I woke up this morning, got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lie, wings we can fly with you by my side.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. It's Saturday. On the road, on my way to pick up some packages. Gonna try and go and chill out on the beach. Probably just chill. It's an easy Saturday, not doing much. And of course, me being who I am, I have to take you along with me. So I just left home and I'm heading towards courier service. Hopefully they have everything. I've been waiting such a long while for my packages. Anyway, I'm not gonna complain because I mean that's just how it works in Jamaica. If you want something, you just have to bring it in, and that's what it takes sometimes. Anyway, So that's where I'm heading right now. Might stop and get something to drink before heading out of town. I'm not going to any Ochi or Negril Beach. I'm just going to a beach that is close to Hellshaw, but not Hellshaw. I think it's Waves or something like that. But when I get out there, you'll see it. I'm hoping that it doesn't start raining. It looks slightly overcast. It's drizzling as well. So I don't know. Let's see how the day just plays out. It's an easy Saturday, not stressing over anything. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and if it works, it works. We'll see how it goes. All right, so yeah, see you in a bit.
And then Monday the sun will come out.
Up there, babe. Alright guys, so I got my I'm trying to put this camera in my little tripod in my lap, right? So it's a bit, I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, so it's a bit alright, so what am I saying? Alright, so these are the stuff I got for my from my shipping company. Alright, so I basically ordered a closure. It's like a loose wave closure. I'm hoping it looks good though from what I'm seeing in the package. It's a high definition closure. It's 6x6 16" and I'm actually getting a new wig made, so I didn't have enough hair, so I had to go back and order more hair. And it took a while to get hair, but it's here finally. And then I got this other bundle, so in total I have like 3 bundles. So I hope it's enough. And this one is a 26". Yeah, 26". Doesn't really look like a 26". Let's pull the package and see what's happening. The hair looks short, but it's curly hair, so I guess that's how it is sometimes. Alright, so I think this is going to go at the back. If it goes at the back, I'll have like good enough length. Yeah, it should be okay. I just hope that, because I used some hair from Amazon the last time, and the first set was good, but the second one I got, I was not feeling it at all. If this hair turns out to be good, I'm gonna order some Brazilian bundles from them as well, because for the summer I'm trying to have like 3 weeks, so that I don't make the mistake of just sticking to 1 week, you know. Oh, here comes hubby. Hold on.
Yes, sweetie.
Thanks. Yeah, so that's it. Alright, it looks okay. I'm hoping it doesn't get knotted after a while. I'm on the camera. Hope it doesn't get knotted after a while. So yeah, should be a good enough length. Should be okay. Alright, so let's just go ahead and put that away. And it's still raining, but the sun is coming out. And I also ordered some invisible tape, double-sided body and clothing tape, you know, just for those moments where you're getting dressed and clothing just not kind of sticking, you know, doing its right thing. So I got that as well. So that's all I got, guys. So the sun is on its way out. It has stopped drizzling. Went into the cafe to get something to drink. Some coconut water here. And so now we're gonna head out to Portmore to just chill out. I doubt it's raining over there. I doubt it, but hopefully we can just have, like, you know, a relaxed day at the beach and just chill. Alright, so yeah, what this person doing? Oh, they're dropping off somebody. Okay. I was feeling for Starbucks, but when I come back in Kingston, I'm gonna get some Starbies. Alright, yeah, I left. Guys, I'm finally at the beach. This is my happy place. So peaceful here. Anyway, them playing music in the background, so I'm gonna have to go later.
Got me feeling brand new, like I know what to do. Got me feeling nostalgic. Ancestors sending clues, I'm sending gratitude back. Cause the whole world outside, sun in my eye, a girl in my ride, head in the sky. We gon' make it if we try. The truth never lies, wings we can fly. With you by my side. This morning,
Morning, guys. How are you? Alright, so it's day after Labor Day. That's like our holiday, a national holiday here. Anyway, what do I have planned? I need to drop off some hair because I'm getting a new wig made, and also what else? I'm gonna do some exercise as well before I go. And what else? I can't remember. I need to write down these things. I can't remember at all. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna make a protein shake right now for breakfast. I'm running behind schedule. Did I say I need to stop by the bank? Yeah, I need to stop by the bank. And I think that's what I really have to do. Oh, I want to upload a video, and then I want to clean out my shoe closet, right? I have so many shoes to kind of just get rid of, and I already started. Let me show you. Alright, these are some shoes that I'm throwing out as well. Just getting over these stuff. I need some space for new stuff. Yeah, so that's really it. I think I need to charge this camera. I'm gonna charge it. Alright, so I will get back with you in a bit. Let me just go get myself set up and ready, and we'll see each other soon. Hey guys, what's up? Alright, so I'm currently leaving my office and I am heading to a meeting with my attorney. I am running so late. I should have been there from like 11 o'clock and it's 11:15, but I had to make a stop at work and then deal with that too. Why? Is my foot heavy or something? Or the gas just press out, so can I feel extra fast today? Anyway, I'm gonna just take it easy. Yeah, so how have you guys been? The last time I spoke with you, I think it was like yesterday. I had a bunch of errands on the road to do. I took you part way with me. Today is Thursday. It's just basically meetings, and I'm just gonna be like chilling, you know, for the rest of the day, that kind of thing. Had a fairly good breakfast as well, so I'm not starving. I'm not gonna be working out today. I just kind of wanna, I did organize my closet last night. I finished it. That was a couple day process, like maybe like a 4-day process. Finished it. It's not exactly where I want it to be, but I'm getting there. Throw out some old stuff that, not necessarily old things, that just might not be able to fit me properly anymore. Instead of just hoarding and holding on to things, it don't make any sense. It don't make no sense. So it's best I just throw out some the old stuff. I still have clothes in my closet that is a size small, and I'm not a size. Oh, can't believe I have to park in the sunny area. Marriott. I am going to get some to drink and just really chill out a bit until it's time to go home. I'm not carrying it with me though. I'm just gonna get my drink and come out. Alright? Alright guys, so I'm gonna change my clothes right now and just really get these stuff altered. Okay, let's see if I can perch it right here. It's not gonna hold. Okay.
Give me the telephone number.
Back in the car now with my wipes. Wipe off my toes because it has been raining and I wore slippers today. I wore wedges and my toes got wet. My feet got wet. Okay, I'm just gonna dispose of this in this bag. When I get home, I'm gonna just throw this in the garbage. Alright, so I think that's the last of stuff that I have to alter because my dressmaker has been seeing me for like what, 3 weeks straight, and I spent like every time I clear out my closet and I find something to, oh, let's sanitize, and I find something to alter, I just carry it in because you never know when you might want to wear the outfit, and you know, you don't want to be really having that issue, you know, you just want to stay ready. So the last set of stuff I got altered was this silver skirt, and it was too tight for me, so she's so cool. She basically inserted some pieces of cloth to the side here and turned it into a style, and it looks so cute, cuter than before. So now it's much wider and it can fit me, because the waist wasn't fitting but the hip was tight. Alright, so let me just pack these in the bag. There is a new bubble tea clutch. No, my bag dropped on the ground. I swear I need to get that bag hook from Amazon to put my bag on. Anyway, so alright, so we're good. Yeah, so there's this new bubble tea place that opened up in Barbican. I want to try it. I've been seeing like long lines to get in there. I just want to try it at least once. I'm not big on bubble tea, but I mean, I'm willing to try something new just to see if it's worth all that excitement and all that hype. Oh yeah, I have to go to the dry cleaners today. I have my shirt to pick up, and then I need to go deal with a bill that I didn't know was outstanding for so long. It has to do with my company. We had like a CUG account. Oh, he's gonna race down on me now because he sees me coming out. Oh, terrible. So we had like a CUG account with Digicel. I'm hoping I didn't forget anything. And basically we had closed that account maybe like a year ago, only for them to call to say that we have an outstanding amount. So I figured what really happened was maybe they didn't calculate their end properly, or the person that was supposed to, the bearer that was supposed to pay the bill, he probably didn't calculate it correctly. So now I'm left with this outstanding amount that I need to get to them. Luckily I don't need to go in house or in the store to stand in line to pay anything. I'll just go to the kiosk and sort that out. Yeah, I'm happy for the rain though. Very, very happy. I can't wait to get my nails done. They are looking so tacky. Yeah, so I'm happy for the rain because this heat, mama, and this heat has been from April. Okay, we don't have no spring in Jamaica. We ain't got no winter either, but we have cooler times and we have summer, right? And our summers are lethal. Okay, lethal. Okay, I think something happened down the road. I think there is a accident or something, because this is so weird at 2 o'clock. That's why I don't drive down here, you know. That's why I don't drive down here. Boy, that's kind of crazy. Anytime like a rain fall, you know. Hey guys, I'm back. There is so much traffic on the road. It's like 4 o'clock right now, and the traffic been building up from maybe like 2 o'clock. So I'm trying to head back to like maybe Constant Spring, halfway through the area, and traffic, man, traffic, unbelievable. So that's it really. Didn't expect to see this much traffic at this time though. But yeah, I think we'll be able to get out of this by maybe another half an hour or so. But yeah, I have to go home. I have to get dinner made. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be making a bit of a dinner. I've never tried this organic spaghetti before, so I'm gonna be trying it for the first time. And I'm gonna be adding a few of these meatballs, and then I'm gonna be chopping up a few of the Impossible sausage in the pasta as well. So I'm happy that we are having this because it's gluten free, and at least I can probably just eat it. It's late, so at least I won't have any bloating tomorrow. And for seasoning, the only powder seasoning I'm using is Mrs. Dash. Everything else is gonna be like natural, and I'll probably put some black pepper in it, and that's it. So not putting too much seasoning in it, right? So I have it on the stove. I'm getting ready to boil it now. If I was just doing like the meatballs alone, this would have been my side. This Grace quinoa, whole grain quinoa, that's what I would have ate tonight. But I'm gonna fix this up tomorrow. Alright guys, so as you can see, the lighting's a bit cold, so it's a bit better. I have my okras, string beans, onions, pepper, added a little salt, a little black pepper. What else I added to this? Garlic. Smells great. So yeah, I have that cooking down a bit, and then I'm gonna add my vegetarian meat. Then I have my Mrs. Dash and herbs, and I add some of that. That's really all I use. I might add a little ketchup to it, a little bit, just to give it a little bit of flavor. I added some more coconut oil to it just for more flavor. Yeah, so that's gonna simmer for a bit. Then after that, I'm just gonna mix in the spaghetti, the black bean spaghetti, and that's it. I don't like to cook up my vegetables too much. I don't like it when they're soft. I love when they're crunchy, so it won't be on the fire for too long. And then after that, now I'm gonna turn off the heat, add the spaghetti because they are very soft, they cook fast, and I'm gonna add some more Mrs. Dash to it without heat, because I feel like when you don't have the heat on it, you can taste the seasoning a little bit more. So guys, this is what my pasta looks like. I did put a little Parmesan cheese on it, and I'm having a small amount tonight, and the rest I'm gonna have tomorrow. I'm gonna plate some for babe as well. He decided to go vegan with me tonight. So here you have it. It's like a vegetarian meatball, black bean pasta meal. It's quick, easy. Took me around 20 minutes. The pasta cooked so fast, and that's din din tonight.